Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer Janae, and today I want to give you an update on my total knee replacement journey. Today, I specifically want to talk to you about the things that I thought were amazing in terms of the items I purchased before I went to have my surgery and the things that I could have probably left or did without. So, the number one thing I think that was like just hands down great was the chair, the lift over the toilet. That was my favorite, and I'm actually still using that because some of the places, or let me back up, some places you may go in public, the restrooms, like the toilets are like lower, like than your knees. And so to have to squat that low um, to reach the toilet is a pain, or to have to squat at this stage without a handle at all is like very difficult. And also, the other thing I thought that was a good investment, if you will, was the chair in the shower, because although there's a seat in my shower now, the chair in the shower allowed me to be able to move closer because my shower doesn't have like a handheld type thing. So there's a spigot that comes or that comes out of the wall, and then there's one that comes out of the ceiling. So those are your two options. I prefer the one that comes out of the wall. And so with the chair, I was able to sit in the shower and actually shave my legs because right now even though I'm like months out, like 3 or 4 months out at least from my surgery, it's still difficult for me to clear my leg to get in and out of the bathtub unassisted to go in there to do a shave. So if I'm shaving, I have to have enough time to do it while I'm in the shower. And that chair has helped with that phase of showering. The things that I had on the wall that were handles, initially they were good, but I noticed, um, I guess the less I used them, like sometimes they would just come off off the wall. So I didn't think those were like good long term. Initially, the wedge I thought was really good. I know initially I was like, I am not buying that ice machine. And it was all fun and games with the little pre, like the gel ice packs that you put in the freezer until they started to either leak or they broke. Or I was icing so much, like off and on icing, that I couldn't keep up with the amount of ice I needed in order to be in a good place. And so I did end up buying a ice maker, and I'll put it in the description box so that you can see which one I got. I was like, well, if I'm going to buy an ice maker, let me get the one that makes the Sonic ice. And so for me, that's still something that I can use after the surgery or after recovery because I just love the Sonic ice. So, and I was able to get it when it was on sale, so I didn't have to pay $100 for it. So, the chairs for the toilet, the chairs for the shower, the ice maker, the wedge where you can elevate your leg. I also got that one from Amazon. That one was really good too when I first came home from the hospital. And I think those are like the primary things. And of course, my cane. Once I was able to transition from my walker back to my cane, those were the big things that I was able to use and consistently use and thought that they were worth the money that I paid for them in terms of helping me with my recovery. Let me know in the comment section if you purchased stuff before your total knee replacement, what you got and what was your favorite thing. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you share this video with someone who you think it may benefit. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day and go be great. GoPro, stop recording.